Guys, welcome to part 2 of this video, and as I was explaining before, these may not be the best motors for what I want to do with this Lego chassis that I invented. And don't worry, there's no problem with, although I call it Lego, it's not real Legos. All the sizes and everything is completely different from Legos, so there were no copyright issues and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is, I said, with all these amazing parts that took forever to print, a whole box of these, I'm going to build an awesome chassis. We're going to have different electronic parts, and we're going to possibly get this to do some ramping. And yeah, so stay tuned for that, as well as a lot of awesome things. And as I said before, there is a giveaway, so please do go check out that Steve and Marco's What's in the Box and leave your best comment out there for Steve to build something. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.
Likey.